So guys, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to stop scammers from calling you. Peradventure, you have been seeing a lot of strange numbers calling you. I'll show you how to go about stopping scammers from calling you. Also, stopping advertisers from calling you. Probably you are just on your own and someone just called you out of the blues to promote a product to you. I'll be showing you how to stop all this. Basically, anything strange calls, you stop receiving them after you implement what I'm about to teach you. By the way, if you are new on this channel, this is Digital Payroll, and right here we talk about ways you can make money online and how to tutorials. If this is your first time right here, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So there are some basic steps you need to take, about 4 of them. So just ensure you follow them step by step so that you don't miss any process. So for you to stop strange callers or scammers from calling you, the very first thing you want to do is you want to go to your phone setting. You can see right here, I'm already on my phone setting. So what you do is you just scroll down till you find Google. Can you see Google right here? So once you tap on Google right here, then you go ahead and click on all services. So once you click on all services, then scroll down till you find phone sharing, phone number sharing. Can you see it right here? So tap on phone number sharing, and over here you can see this is turned on. So what you do is you get to turn this off. Once you turn this off, it means Google will stop sharing your phone number with any third-party app. As you can see, it's written right here on the screen. Allow Google to share you a screen that lets you choose a phone number to share when a third-party app requests your phone number. Basically, Google will stop sharing your phone number to any third-party app. So let me go ahead and turn mine off. So that's the first step you want to take if you want to stop strange callers from accessing your phone number. So now let's proceed and talk about the step 2 you have to take if you want to stop strange callers from calling you. So what you do is you go to your Chrome browser. So let's head on straight to our Chrome browser. So right here, I'm already on my Chrome browser. So what you do right here is you click on these 3 dots up here. Once you click on that, then come over to where you have setting. So once you click on setting right here, then you look for where you have address and more. Can you see addresses and more? So tap on this. So once you tap on this, you can see this is turned on. Can you see? And my information is right here on my phone. Can you see all that? So what you do is you just turn this off. Once you turn this off, it will stop other websites from accessing your information on Google. It will stop third-party websites, strange websites, from accessing your information on Google. So let me go ahead and turn this off right here. So this is turned off. So that is the step 2 you need to take if you want to stop strange people from calling you. So now let's talk about the step 3 you must take if you want to stop strange people from calling you. So this one is you go into your setting. So let's go back to our setting right here. So once you're on your phone setting, so right here you search for permission manager. So once you search for permission manager like this, you open it, click on permission manager right here again. Right here you get to see a list of apps that have access to your contacts. So you can see, come over to where you have contacts right here. Once you click on contacts, so over here you will see a list of different apps that have access to your contacts. So what you do is you just check through them and you get to deactivate anyone you don't want to have access to your contacts. The truth of the matter is just access them. Ask yourself, do any of these apps really need access to my contacts? So if they don't, if you feel there's anyone that doesn't need access to your contacts, just tap on it, and right here you click on don't allow. So once you click on don't allow, then you also go ahead and click on don't allow anyway. Can you see that? So now this has been deactivated. Like, this app does not have access to my contacts again. So you repeat the same process for every app right here that you feel should not have access to your contacts. Don't worry, you don't have any reason to be scared. If at any point you want to access that app and they now request for your contacts again, you can now carefully check it if truly you should give them your contacts. I believe you understand what I'm saying, guys. So this is the 3rd setting you must take if you want to stop strange apps and callers from accessing your phone number. So now let's proceed and talk about the 4th step you must take if you don't want strange callers to access your phone number. So the final step you must take is you coming over to your permission manager again, just like the way we accessed it earlier on. So then you come to where you have call logs. Do you understand? Click on call logs right here. Then you get to see several apps that have access to your call history. So just go ahead and check through all of them and see if truly you want them to have access to your call history. So I'll just tap on any of them. Once I tap on Telegram, you can see allow. So I'll just click on don't allow right here. Once I click on don't allow, it means Telegram does no longer have access to my call history. And that's also how you go about stopping several other apps that you see on your phone from having access to your call history. They get to access your phone number, they get to access the phone number of your family and friends, and they get to also reach out to them. So I believe you understood every step of the process I just showed you guys. So now you understand how scammers access people's phone number. You might be wondering, how did they get my phone number? These are ways they get to access your phone number, especially that of the Chrome browser I showed you guys, like strange websites accessing your details through Chrome. So ensure you just do every step of the process, ensure you do everything I showed you guys, and henceforth scammers will no longer have access to you. So I believe you got value from this tutorial. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.